Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to disconnect your other OnlyFans account from your pre-existing account. Now let us begin. Do note I've already logged in, and in my previous video I had taught you guys how to connect other account as well. So if you guys want to view that, you can do that as well. Now right here, what you need to do is simply focus on the left hand side. Just above this new post button, you can see something called as more. Click on it right now, and this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is try to go to settings. Just above your cards, you can see something called as settings. Click on it. Now this is it, guys. This is the settings page. As you guys can see, there are lots of options ranging from profile to display. Right now, what you guys need to do is click on this button called as account. It is just below profile. And once you've done that, this is the account page. And right here, let's simply search for something called as connect another OnlyFans account. And right here, just below Google account, you can see the same button. Click on it. In my previous video, I had connected this other OnlyFans account. Now let's say I want to disconnect it. Right here, you can see the disconnect button. Click on it. And once you do that, your other OnlyFans account will be disconnected. The process is quite easy. It's nothing complex. Well guys, that's it. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. And we will be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.